I have installed the VST in-out temperature sensor, which I received today after purchasing it on Amazon. Let's crank it up and see what it does. Okay, so it's actually really showing temperature readings of -2. It just changed to -3, which is quite accurate. Just checked on my phone. My phone says -2. And of course my heater was on in the car, so it's saying in-out temperature is inside temperature is 28, which is quite accurate because I had my temperature, the heater on in the car, showing my battery voltage at 14.3 volts, which is quite good, and the time, which is accurate as well. Now here's what I did. I pretty much was trying to find a good location in the car. Car has limited place points for mounting it, so I just figured I'd put it right beside my sat nav there. It doesn't look too bad from my eyes, from my point of view. It sort of blends in with the trim in this area and this area, so it doesn't look too far off or too out of whack for all intents and purpose, and it's getting the job done. But basically, here's what I did. I put the power wire and the external sensor together in tape, and I'm going to be tucking them back right behind the mirror there. I haven't tucked it back yet, but that should be an easy job because the sat nav is already there. I showed you earlier how to take off the A pillar in another video, so you can have a look at that. I pretty much just ran the wire down there. I ended up taking out my AC vent as well as a little side piece here, so that I could actually get to handle the wire, you know, down through, because I actually mounted an extra 3 sockets there, as you can see on the and I'll show in another video how I got the power there from my cigarette lighter, so it works with my key ignition. So pretty much what I did was to take the wire from behind there down through here, and I put some tape on it to make sure it's properly insulated. I'm going to take you outside, but before I do that, I'll show you what I did was to basically, I took off the clip off this window panel here, which is quite easy. Just pop it out, just one little clip holds it in place there, and I ease the mirror out, and I'll show you how I ran the sensor outside and got it installed outside. Just wanted to clarify that I basically took off this weather strip in order to get the wire to run behind there, and I put the extra tape over it for reinforcement, and then I pretty much went outside. So let's pick up on the outside now. Good. So as I said, I pretty much eased out the mirror, and what that took off the bolts of the mirror. So what that did was allow me to flex the mirror, and I was able to just fit the wire just under this strip here, and I was able to put the wire in. You're not even seeing the wire until it gets to this point where the wire actually comes out, and there you have it. I was able to stick the sensor right there under the mirror. So if you're looking at the car from a point, you'll see the sensor just under the mirror there, and it's actually giving me quite good reading there. So the wire is tucked in under there, and right back in. Yeah, so there you have it in a nutshell. That was my end of year project, and my VST temperature sensor is kicking and screaming. Seem accurate so far? Thank you for tuning in. Keep watching, and please subscribe.